I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your SoFi account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Launch the SoFi app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're in the app, find the Account tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed to your account settings. Step 3. Select Device Management. In Account Settings, look for an option labeled Device Management or Security Settings. This is where you can see all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Identify the device. Review the list of devices connected to your account. Find the specific device you want to remove. Be cautious, as removing the wrong device can lock you out. Step 5. Remove the device. Tap on the device you wish to remove, then select the Remove or Delete option. Confirm your choice when prompted. I hope this helps you manage your devices easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.